Because HTML is originally made to organize text, there are many tags related to text formatting. And we will continue to discuss some of these tags today. I am Mina Munir, full stack web developer. Welcome today in our fourth lecture of HTML course. Beginning from this lecture, we will follow new explanation paradigm, where we are going to build a real-life project, which would be an online school website where we will cover user interface building using HTML without using styles or CSS, which would be covered in a separate course. Also, rendering the site dynamic using JavaScript would be covered in another separate course. The complete code shown here in the lecture would be available on GitHub through the link in the description. We began with our home page, which contains the website title and the brief description. This main file would be index.html, and we should know that most sites, the home page is usually called index.html or sometimes default.html, or as we set up our server. As we are writing the description, we decide to make the site name with a more prominent font. For that, we use the tag B, which is short for bold. Using the B tag renders the text in a thicker font. A side note to know, if we are using Visual Studio Code as our code editor, we can select the desired word and press Ctrl+Shift+P and choose Emit wrap with abbreviation, and then write the tag without the angled brackets, and Visual Studio will take care of the position of the opening and closing tag as well as the angled brackets or less than and greater than signs, and that would be better than writing the tag manually. Reaching the word best, we need to make it prominent also as a way of advertising, but we need to do it in a semantic way so that a screen reader can recognize it, so we use the tag strong. Just it is the same as B or bold, but it would be read in a different voice tone. Another word is computer programming. We need to make it in an italic font, so we can use the tag I. But the word deep, for example, we want it in italic but also to be read in a different tone, so we use the tag EM or emphasize. Same appearance as italic but different voice tone. But for the words real life examples, we want it to be underlined, so we simply use the tag U or underline. Since this is an online learning site, so curriculums could be updated on a regular basis. So we need constantly change and insert new dates, and for this we use the tag INS or inserted, which semantically denotes that this piece of text is newly inserted into the page. At the end of our page, we want to place a quoted phrase for William Crawford. Being a student is easy. Learning requires actual work. And we know that quoted words are placed within double quotes. Instead of placing the double quotes manually, we can use the tag Q or quote for this, which semantically denotes that these words are quoted and automatically place double quotes for us. But this is not the reason. We could also add cite attribute to add information about the quote citation, which such as the website it is quoted from. Also for cite, we could add it as a separate tag and not as an attribute for example, to enclose the author name. And we notice that when we use it as a separate tag, it changes the font to italic. And since computer and technology gets updated so fast, some languages are obsolete, like Visual Basic 6 for example. So we need to remove it from our subjects, but without actually deleting the word itself or the subject itself. So we can use the tag S, which would strike through the selected words or place a dash through the word. But there is another semantic word that could be used, which is del, or a short for deleted, that is also rendered the word strike through, but in a semantic way that it denotes it is deleted. So we reached the end of our lecture. Again, the link of the full source code is available in the description. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate notifications to be notified with new videos. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.